Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Myself Komal, and today we are going to start with exercise 8.3 in which we are covering example number 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so let's just start it with example number 3 in which we are having if tan 2a is equals to cot a minus 80 degree where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Okay, so as you all know that the complementary angles that tan A is equals to cot 90 डिग्री माइनस ए. सो ये जो वैल्यू है cot 90 डिग्री माइनस है उसकी वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं दैट वी आर हैविंग tan 2a इज इक्वल्स टू cot a माइनस 18 डिग्री. सो tan 2a की जगह पे मैं ऐसा लग सकती हूँ therefore we are having which implies we are having cot 90 डिग्री माइनस 2a. अगर a की जगह पे 2a है तो यहाँ पे भी हम 2a चेंज कर देंगे दैट इज़ 90 डिग्री माइनस 2a विच इक्वल्स टू cot a माइनस 80 डिग्री. नाउ दोनों तरफ cot है तो वो क्या हो जाएंगे इक्वेटिंग द एंगल्स. सो वी कैन से equating the angles we have 90 degree minus 2a which equal a minus 80 degree. both the side cot मतलब अगर दोनों cot है तो दोनों एंगल्स क्या होने चाहिए सेम होने चाहिए. तो हम क्या कर रहे हैं उन दोनों को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. सो देयरफॉर 90 डिग्री प्लस 80 डिग्री इज इक्वल्स टू a प्लस 3a. So therefore this is 108 degree is equals to this is 2a sorry and this gives 3a. So therefore the value will be a is equals to 36 degree. So as you can see the value of a will be 36 degree और जो हमारे पास 2a था वो हो जाएगा 72 degree which is an acute angle. Okay, now move on to example number 4 in which we are having if tan a is equals to cot b then prove that a plus b is equals to 90 degree. So as you all know that अभी हमने लिखा था that tan a is equals to cot 90 degree minus a. Okay, so let's just have that tan a is equals to cot b. Therefore, we can say cot 90 degree minus a is equals to cot b. Now we can equate the angles. That equating the angles, we are having 90 degree minus a is equals to b, which gives 90 degree is equals to a plus b. So hence we prove that a plus b is equals to 90 degree. Hence a plus b is equals to 90 degree. Okay. Now move on to example number 5 in which if sec 4a is equals to cosec a minus 20 degree where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Again we have to use the complementary angles. As you all know that we are given sec 4a is equals to cosec a minus 20 degree. So sec 4a का वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा cosec 90 degree minus 4a which equals to cosec a minus 20 degree. Now again equating the angles we are having 90 degree minus 4a is equals to a minus 20 degree. So this is 90 plus 20 which equals to a plus 4a. So therefore 110 degree is equals to 5a. Therefore a हो जाएगा 110 divided by 5, that is 22 degree. Okay, so here we are having a is equals to 22 degree. Now move on to example number 6, in which we are having if a, b, c are interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C divided by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Okay, so as you all know that the triangle ABC अगर है तो उसके इंटीरियर एंगल का सम कितना हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री. सो इन अ ट्राइंगल sum of all the interior angles is equal to 180 degree. So therefore which gives A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so let's just have B plus C is equals to 180 degree minus A. Now divide both the sides with 2, which gives B plus C divided by 2 equal 180 degree minus A divided by 2. Okay, which implies B plus C divided by 2 is equals to 180 divided by 2, that is 90 degree minus A by 2. Now apply sine to both the sides. So which is sine, you can write that apply sine on both sides, which gives sine of B plus C divided by 2 is equals to sine of 90 degree minus A by 2. But as you all know that sine 90 degree minus A is nothing but cos A. So यहाँ पे ये क्या हो जाएगा cos A by 2. So hence we are having sine B plus C divided by 2 is equals to cos A by 2. Okay, now move on to example number 7, in which we are having express sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree in terms of trigonometry ratios of angles between 0 to 45 degree. Okay, सो ये जो एंगल 0 to 45 से ज़्यादा है उसको हमको क्या करना है 0 to 45 के अंदर लेके आना है. सो ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू यूज़ द कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. सो मुझे 67 डिग्री चाहिए. सो 90 में से मेरे को कितना माइनस करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू कट 23 डिग्री. देन वी आर हैविंग साइन 67 डिग्री और सिमिलरली कॉस में क्या हो जाएगा 90 डिग्री माइनस 15 डिग्री. सो एज यू ऑल नो दैट साइन 90 माइनस ए कितना हो जाता है कॉस ए. सो दिस इज कॉस 25 डिग्री प्लस कॉस 90 माइनस ए क्या हो जाता है साइन ए, दैट इज साइन 15 डिग्री. सो वी हैव जस्ट कन्वर्ट दिस. सो द एंगल का वैल्यू किसके बीच में आ गया 0 to 45. देखो कॉस 25 आ गया और ये आ गया साइन 15. सो साइन 67 कन्वर्ट हो गया कॉस 25 में और कॉस 75 कन्वर्ट हो गया साइन 15 में. ओके, सो हियर वी जस्ट completed the exercise 8.3. In the next video we will continue with trigonometry identities which are most important according to this chapter and as well as the chapter number 9. So please watch, like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.